Hello guys, welcome to Stocks and Cryptos. So today we'll be discussing about UOB Global, Primelist and Bybit Launchpad. So on both of these exchanges, there a new coin will be launching. So for that registrations are open. Only 20 hours is left for the Primelist and for the Bybit Launchpad, 1 day 14 hours is left. So what you need to do is basically, so ETHA sale is there. ETHA coin will be launching on this prime list, UOB global prime list. So all the requirements are given there, like what we need to do. So first of all, you need to sign up on this platform. I will give the link in the description. You can check out there. So you can read like what is the project and regarding what are the key features, then what is the quantity they will be selling at what price, all that stuff is given there, then timelines and all. You can also check their website. So there is a one thing that you can easily earn 10x or even more, 20x or 50x at here. So let's jump. So before discussing this ETHA sale, let's jump onto the DO sale, which is recently listed to the prime list. So you can see here 0.05 was the ask price. So when it is listed, it is listed at the price of near about, I think, 0.6. So more than 10x in just few hours. So this much you can earn through these platforms. So for that you need to sign up, and then you need to maintain true $200 of spot trading volume, average spot trading volume. So how can you do that? There is one thing that you don't need to add $200 in your account. You can just add $50 to $55 in your account, and then you can trade 4 to 5 times. So your daily sorry, average will be 200 USDT. So no need to deposit $200 on this platform. And then once the sale is open, you will get here one register button here. You can just click on there and you will be registered for that. So this is regarding the UOB prime list. And the second one is the Bybit launchpad. So here as though here is also the same procedure. You need to the sign up and then apply here for this. So but here is one thing that they have asked to maintain, uh, just a minute, yeah, they have asked to maintain 50, more than 50 bit tokens. So which if we see the current price of bit token, it's 2.16, means more than $100. So if you don't have that much money, then you can go with the UOB global prime list, or if you have that much money, then you can try on both. So both are good exchanges. You can try applying both, and you can easily earn 10x, like 5,000 can be easily converted to 50,000 within just few hours. So guys, I will give this link in the description. Just check out and let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts. I will try to resolve those. Thank you guys. Let's catch up in the next video.